Hey everyone, it's that time again. Time for a stitch fix. Okay, it is finally warm out. I went to the beach today. This is kind of just a thrown together outfit. Don't mind what I got going on around here. But it's summertime and it's time for vacation. So I actually did a stitch fix for my trip to Hawaii. I have another, I have enough time to do one more box because quite honestly, I don't know how great this box is going to be. Because when I signed up for it, I forgot to write, I wanted to update my Pinterest and give some more details, but I just kind of ran out of time. It's been so crazy. If you're a teacher, I've got 4 more days of work left and the last month has felt like craziness. So that is a bit my fault. So I'm not expecting it to be the best box I've ever gotten. So I do think I want to get another one between now and when I leave that can be a little bit more curated to my style. Okay, the note is, this is Cass. Saw that you're headed to Hawaii and I've created a really fun vacation theme fix for you today. Grab a fun drink, your sunglasses, crank some beach tunes, and let's explore this fix full of fashions together. Oh, kind of like her note. I kick things off with a versatile pair of denim shorts. There's a slightly longer length, which I don't look good in, but she says I may love it. Franco Sarto sandals, Papermoon sleeveless knit top. Dress up for a little and the pretty skies are blue crochet trim dress, lay not included. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. I love it. With your hair done and bold eye makeup to have some fun with tropical color. I can't wait to see what ends up in your suitcase. And I hope your vacation is wonderful. Aloha. Super sweet note, and I just love how fun she was. So, oh, I love the colors of this. Like, ooh, the yellow and the black and white, and then a pair of shoes. So let's get started with the shoes. Now, I have not had good luck with Stitch Fix shoes. I don't know, they just haven't really been my style. And these are not my style at all. So they're this kind of gladiator with silver like hardware, and yeah, I don't love these at all. I would never wear them. And they're the Genova printed leather sandal in gray, 7.5, $89, Franco Sarto. I'm sure someone would look great. I don't really love on me something that comes around the ankle. I've just not really ever liked those type of shoes. I love slide-ins. They're just kind of my go-to. I hate to like fuss with shoes. And one or second, I don't know. I hate wearing shoes. So anything that I can slip on and off is the best. I even wear like slip-in Vans for work because half the time I just like get them off, walk around barefoot. It is. So I hate to deal with like straps and stuff like that. So if you know me and something's really prettily wrapped and I know I'm not gonna get it, I'm not gonna try it on. So I'm not gonna try these on, but here they are. Again, if this is your style, I think they would be really comfortable. Franco Sarto is a really comfortable shoe. My mom loves Franco Sartos because they are comfortable, but again, I just always feel bad taking all of this stuff out and knowing that I'm not gonna wear it or buy it. So I'm gonna stick those right over here so that they're not away. If you're new to my Stitch Fix videos, I cannot talk today. I go through everything, give you my first impression, do a try on, and kind of let you know then. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, got a few little things in here. One cute Madewell tie. It looks like it could be a little bit cropped, very sheer. This is, I feel like I am just like lost today. Okay, this is the Madewell Felicia button-down top, $69.50. Color is yellow. Now, this is really cute. I don't know about you, and see, this is the thing, is I didn't really specify a lot for this face, and so I kind of feel like this is my own fault. I like sleeveless. I get super overheated just in general. But yeah, so this is cute. I really do like Madewell. So yeah, so there's that. This is the Papermoon Ampton sleeveless back detail, $34. This is so not me. I'm not really big on patterns. I'm pretty plain. It has a really pretty detail on the back, if that's kind of your thing. I think like things like that add a nice flair to like basic shirts, but I don't know, I'm just not in love with this pattern, so we'll see. Next we have, I love this color. This is the Scissor Blue Verity crochet trim lace maxi, $78. So I love this color, you guys. So it's so pretty. It's like a halter, the detail, and again, it's long. It does have a slip, and it's really pretty. Now, I don't know if this will fit. I have a bigger chest, and so a lot of times dresses like this do not fit if there's not a lot of give, but you never know. We'll try it on. Again, that color is gorgeous. I love that color. And then lastly is a pair of shorts, the Blank NYC Grayson scissor cut hem shorts. These are $88. Now I do like Blank NYC. I'm not loving these. I don't tend to love a longer short. I have short legs and they're kind of muscular, for lack of better words. So those kind of like make my legs look bigger, I feel like, and really shorten my leg. I have a short torso, short legs, I feel like, and so sometimes longer things just don't look that good. But we'll see. And I really do like distressed jeans that are short. Okay, so let's get to the trial. Okay, so here is that first Madewell top. P.S. I'm sorry about the lighting in the first part. I didn't put my ring light on. It was there, I just didn't turn it off. Okay, this is super unflattering. One, any kind of buttons pull with my chest. I just feel like I belong in a circus. Here it is. I love a shirt at times, but this is just not flattering. And I feel like in Hawaii, I just would not feel like, ooh, Hawaii. I feel like, ooh, I don't know, going to lunch. This is not very comfy. So next one. This is so not good on me. It makes me feel like older, a little more matronly than I'd like, and I don't know, it makes me look big hair. So this is a no, and these shorts, I have them on, no. Like, here they are. They just like they're not flattering at all, and they give you the worst camel toe. Like, no, these big fat no, big fat no. Here is the dress. I love this color. My boobs couldn't barely breathe. They're struggling in here. You can see like how tight it is right here, and it just is not great. And then the bottom is great. Like, it's, I think, a good length on me. I think it's really pretty. I love the lace detail. That's all good. It's just and this is just like something I've always struggled with. So I kind of know when I see a dress if it's gonna fit or not. Sometimes I'm surprised, so sometimes I'm willing to try it on, but I pretty much know. And it's just like when I feel so like constrained here, I'm just not comfortable. But this has always been my life, and even I feel like I tell stylists, but I think that if you don't have a bigger chest, and I'm not small, but I'm definitely smaller in the waist, so the proportion is just like, it's funky, and then I'm straight. So unless you have a body type like that, or you know someone like my good friends can usually tell too by now, because they've tried on so many clothes with me, they know what I like, they know my style and what I typically wear. It can be really hard for people to pick stuff out, so I can't blame them for that. It's just, again, it's just my body type. So Stitch Fix was a no-go this month, and that's okay. I think partially it's my fault. I want to do a better job at giving them a little bit more ideas and more. I need to really update my Pinterest. So now that school is almost over and we're in the final stretch, I think I can commit a little bit more time to making something a little bit curated. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe so that you can see the next one, and I think it's going to be much better when I can give them a little bit more input, because I'm going to do one more Stitch Fix before I go to Hawaii to get some more Hawaiian inspired clothes. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.